Here we go. Here it goes again. Here's Mikey and Curtis again. Here we go. Turn it on again. Here we go again. Oh! Here we go again.
You're finding
It sounds like something sleazy. Sleazy. Ah! Hey! Just when you think you're in control, just when you think you're on something new, I don't know. Here it goes. I'll sing the backups. Here it goes. No. Nothing.
I don't know the song.
Here we go again. Here we go. Here we go again. Hey! That's what they do in the video. They dance on trampolines, on treadmills. So it's Thursday. It's Thursday, right? Yes, it is Thursday. We're heading to Curtis's store again to what is it? NASCAR event. We're actually going to be racing in the parking lot.
I thought you said it was going to be racist in the parking lot. Well, it is Battle Creek.
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of racists there. Actually, that's what they actually call the drivers. They call them racists.
No, they don't.
Don't they?
They call them drivers.
Drivers?
Yeah.
Where did I hear that from then?
You made it up.
Did I really?
Pretty sure you did. They're just called drivers.
Well, I mean, hockey players are called skaters because they're skating.
Yeah, and then by that logic, they would be called racers or race car drivers, not racists. They don't call them skatists.
Skaters.
Oh, hell yeah, not a sir. You know this one, don't you? Popular. This new song right here.
Breaking up. Don't put off breaking up.
I'm popular.
Tell them honestly, simply, kindly, with harmony. Don't make a big production. Make up your life story. This is help you avoid a big tear-jerking scene. If you want to date other people like Mike, say so. Be prepared for the boy to feel hurt and rejected. Even if you've gone together for only a short time and haven't been too serious, there's still a feeling of rejection when someone such prefers a company. You're exclusive company, but if your eyes are direct and avoid making a very emotional speech when you break the news, the more I respect you for your kindness, and honestly, they'll appreciate the kind of straightforward manner in which you told him your decision. Unless he's a real jerk or fucking pussy, we remain friends.
I'm popular.
My mom says I'm cash.
I'm popular.
I'm never lasting. Like a cheerleader shit. Being attractive is the most important thing there is. If you want to catch the biggest fish in your pond, you have to be as attractive as possible. Make sure to keep your hair spotless and clean.
And spiky.
Every 2 weeks. Once every 2 weeks. And if you see Johnny football, you're home alone. Tell him you played a great game. Tell him you liked his article and his praise.
I'm popular. I'm popular.
I'll never get caught.
I'm popular. I'm popular.
I propose this is more than 1 month.
Alright.
I think it would keep people more able to.
It's a little awkward.
You make it awkward.
Well, yeah. Because what people don't know, they're watching this on YouTube,
Oh, they know.
is that I'm not wearing pants. I find it's more comfortable to not wear pants when you drive. I mean, Curtis would know because he has to unbutton his pants, but I say, why unbutton them? Why not go all the
See, I
way?
leave mine on because if I take mine off, you have a boner the entire drive.
That is true. Ha!
Because you're driving, does that make you a racist?
Yeah. I don't. Yeah.
It's not called a racist.
Well,
It's
they're.
called a driver.
Well, I drive, but I'm not racing anywhere.
That's clear. You're going 40 on the highway.
No, I'm doing 65, and that's why I need my other hand.
Oh, don't turn into it.
I got it.
Ow.
It's all good.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Everything's good now.